Why do we learn mathematics? Essentially for three reasons: calculation, application, and eventually in terms of time we give it inspiration. Mathematics is the science of pattern, and we study to learn how to think logically, critically, and creatively. But too much of mathematics that we learn in school is not effectively motivated. And when our students ask, why are we learning this? Then they often hear that they will need it in an math class or on future tests. But we don't need a big grade. If everyone's in a while, we did mathematics because it was fun, or beautiful, or because it's silent mind. Now, I know many people have not attempted to see how this can happen. So let me give you a quick example with my favorite collection of numbers, the Fibonacci numbers. Yeah, I already have Fibonacci fans here, that's great. Now, this number can be appreciated in many different ways. From the standpoint of calculation, that is easy to understand as 1 plus 1, which is 2. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, and so on. Indeed, the person we call Fibonacci was actually named Leonardo of Pisa, and this number appeared in his book Liber Abaci, which told the Western world the metaphor of arithmetic that we use today. In terms of application, Fibonacci appear in nature surprisingly often. The number of petals on a flower is typically a Fibonacci number, or the number of petals on a sunflower or pineapple tend to be a Fibonacci numbers as well. In fact, there are many more appearances of Fibonacci numbers, but I have most information about a beautiful number that let's display. Let me show you one of my favorites. Suppose you like to square number, and frankly, who doesn't? Let's look at the square of the first few Fibonacci number. So 1 square is 2 squares is 4, 3 squares is 9, 5 squares is 25, and so on. Now it is no surprise that when you add consecutive Fibonacci numbers, you get the net Fibonacci number, right? That's how they create it, but when you add the squares together. But check this out: 1 plus 1 gives us 2, and 1 plus gives us 5, and the 4 plus 9 is 13. 9 plus 25 is 34, and yes, the pattern continues.
So,
okay.